This is a set of logical reasoning of CAT, and the difficulty level of this set is good. Here, many twists are hidden in the given informations. I think it is a good one to attempt. My suggestion to all of you, first you attempt, then see the solutions. So let's see the set. Here, a farmer had a rectangular land containing 205 trees. He distributed that land among his four daughters, Abha, Veena, Chitra, and Deepti, by dividing the land into 12 plots along three rows XYZ and four columns 1, 2, 3, 4, as shown in the figure below. The plots in rows XYZ contain mango, teak, and pine trees respectively. Each plot had each plot had trees in a non-zero multiples of 3 or 4, and none of the plots had the same number of trees. Each daughter got an even number of plots. In the figure, the number mentioned in the top left corner of a plot is the number of trees in that plot, while the letter in the bottom right corner is the first letter of the name of the daughter who got the plot. For examples, Abha got the plot in row Y, and column 1 containing 21 trees. This is about. Okay, this plot is of Abha containing 21 trees. Right. This is all about this examples. Now see the condition number 1. Abha got 20 trees more than Chitra, but 6 trees less than Deepti. The largest number of trees in a plot was 32, but it was not with Abha. The number of trees in a column 3 was double of that in a column 2, but was half of that in a column 4. Both Abha and Veena got a higher number of plots than Deepti. Only Veena, Chitra, and Deepti got corner plots. Deepti got 2 adjoining plots in the same row. Veena was the only one who got a plot in each row and each column. Chitra and Deepti did not get plots which were adjacent to each other, either in a row, column, or diagonal. And the last information is number 9. The number of mango trees was double the number of the trees. So this is the amount of information. And now have a set of questions. Here we have 6 questions. All are MCQs. Okay. So first you attempt, then see the solution. Okay. Let's see the solutions. So here question is that farmer had a rectangular land containing 205 trees and distributed the land among his 3 daughters, Abha, Veena, Chitra, and Deepti, means A, B, C, and D, by dividing the land into 12 plots, giving 3 rows X, Y, Z, and 3 columns 1, 2, 3, 4 as here. So here, look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, similarly 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are 12 plots. And the rows are X, Y, Z rows. These are 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. The plots in row X, Y, Z contained mango, teak, pines respectively. Means this row X is for mango, and this row Y is for teak trees, and this row Z is for the pine trees. Okay, so in this row, all the plots with mango trees, here with teak trees, and here is pine trees. Okay. Each plot had trees in non-zero multiples of 3 or 4. Means number of trees in a plots are either multiple of 3 or 4. Non-zero means each plot has trees. Means no plot is without tree. Each daughter got an even number of plots. Okay. Each daughter got an even number of plots. Okay, means 2, 4, 6, like this even numbers. In the figure, the number mentioned in the top left corner of a plot, this we already know the nature of given information and this table. Now see this condition number 1. This condition number 1 is Abha got 20 trees more than Chitra, but 6 trees less than Deepti. Okay, we can take this Abha, Chitra, and Deepti. Abha got 20 trees more than Chitra. If Chitra is getting XT, then it is X plus 20. But Abha got 6 trees less than Deepti. So Deepti trees would be X plus 20 plus 6, X 26. Okay, let's keep this information for further connectivity. Now see the condition number 2. The largest number of trees in a plot was 32. Okay, but it was not with Abha. This information will be useful for the stage. Okay. Point number 3. Point number 3 is the number of teak trees in column 3. In column 3 means this is teak trees. So it was a mango, and this is it. Teak, and this is pine. So here, condition number 3, the number of teak trees in column 3 was double that of in column 2. So that of double, okay. But half of the column 4. So if here it is x, then it is 2x and it should be 4x. Okay. This is all about condition number 3. Now see point 4. Both Abha and Bina got a higher number of plots than Deepti. Both Abha, number of plots with Abha is more than Deepti, and Bina also got more plots than Deepti. Okay, this is about. Let's see here. Here the total number of plots are 12. And these plots to be divided among Abha, Bina, Chitra, Deepti. It was also given that each daughter got an even number of plots, means minimum. Each ABCD will get 2 plots. Since plots should be the even number, and Abha is a number of plots with Abha is greater than Deepti, and Bina is also getting greater than that of Deepti. It means it is plus 2 and plus 2. So Abha has 4 plots, Bina also 4, and Deepti 2, Chitra 2. Okay, this is all about number of plots. Right, so this is all about condition number 4. Now point 5. Only Bina, Chitra and Deepti got corner plots. Okay. Only means Abha is not at a corner plot. So Bina, Chitra and Deepti. Chitra is here, okay. Corner plot. Bina corner plot. Deepti. Deepti. It could be here or here. Right. Now, condition number 6. Deepti got 2 adjoining plots in the same area. Deepti got 2 adjoining plots in the same row. Okay. Now point number 7. Bina was the only one got a plot in each row and each column. Bina was the only one who got a plot in each row and each column. Means in a column number 1 and column number 2, 3, 4. Here Bina trees presents. And also in a rows X, Y, Z, Bina trees are present. Okay. This is so Bina, this is okay. Now see the point number 8. Chitra and Deepti did not get plots which were adjacent to each other, either in a row, column, and diagonal. Chitra and Deepti. So here Chitra, the Deepti cannot be here. Here Chitra, so diagonally Deepti cannot be present here. Chitra is here, so diagonal in a row, in this row, diagonally cannot be present here, and diagonally cannot be present here. Okay. And one more point. it was given that Deepthi got two adjoining plot in the same row. So if Deepthi is not present, then in this row, the possibility of this is no. So now only this conditions, this possibility is here. Then you can say Deepthi is getting corner plot and Deepthi got joining two adjoining plot in a same row. So now it is clear that these two plots of Deepthi. So now it is clear. So remove it. Deepthi two plots are clear. It is Deepthi, Deepthi. Okay. And now see this point number 7. Deepthi was the only one. Deepthi was the only one who got a plot in each row and each column. So look here. Veena is present in this row. Acha. What about this row X? In row X, only this cell is left, means this plot is left. And condition is that Veena is present in each row. So the possibility is only B. B. Okay. So now Veena's plot is present in a second column and first row. Here in a first column and a third row. But Veena has four plots. Veena has four plots. So now the second. Look here. Here, this row X rows and this column 4 is with D and here with the A. So only this is left. And for Veena presence in the column 4, it means Veena can be only there. Then you can say the Veena is present in fourth column because in fourth column, row X and row Y is occupied by D and A respectively. So now it is okay. And now Veena has four plots. One is here in X row and two in a Z rows, but no in row Y. These two possibilities. But if I take B here, then definitely in this column maybe the two, but ये गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. Column number 3 में कोई plot नहीं होगा. तो obvious है कि ये यहीं पर होना चाहिए. This is not. So now this way we have decided the four plots of Veena. 1, 2, 3, 4. And two plots of Chitra C. So this and that. And the D's two plots. So it means the four plots of A is like 1, 2. So this is third and fourth. So this is all about the distribution of plots. This is all about the distribution of plots among Abha, Veena, Chitra, and Deepthi, respectively. Okay. So now see the other conditions. Other conditions, condition number 9, it is the number of mango trees was double the number of teak trees. Teak trees, number of mango trees double the number of teak trees. Okay. So if it is, suppose it is Y. Okay, it is Y, then that must be 2Y. Correct? This is all about the condition number 9. Okay, now see, this row Y is completed. 21x, 2, it is X, sorry, it is X. It is 2x. Okay, ये delete हो इससे मतलब erase हो गया था. So it is 2x, x, 4x. So now the number of trees in Y row is 21 plus x, 2x, 4x means 4, 2, 6, 7x. Okay. And as here given, the number of mango trees are double of teak trees. So number of teak trees in y row is 21 plus 7x. So it is easy to write that this is going to be 42 plus 14x. Okay. So, okay, it is clear. No doubt about this. Means number of mango trees in terms of x and number of teak trees in terms of x. It is clear, right? So since here the distribution of plot is over, now it's a matter of trees. So let's focus on the number of trees distribution here among A, B, C, D. It is 42 plus 1x, it is 21 plus 7x. And here we have no idea about this and this, here, this and this. We don't know right now the number of trees in these two plots. Okay. Look here. It was given the total number of trees 205. Total number of trees 205. Okay. And this we know that number of mango trees 42 plus 14x, here the teak trees 21 plus 7x. And in this row, the number of pine trees we do not know. But it is clear that it should be something like 29, 28 plus 9, 37 plus. This I do not know because here the presence in this plot, the number of trees is not given here. Right. Okay. Now, one more point which we should not miss, that the number of trees are multiple of 3 and 4, and none of the plots had the same number of trees, and each daughter got an even number of. Oh, it is over. Plot distribution is over. So here the important point is 3 or more, multiple of 3 or 4. Number of trees must be multiple, like 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. And the 4 like 4, 8, 12, like this. And none of the plot had the same number of trees. These two are very important information for the distributions of trees. So let's see here. So this is one, and this is same number of trees. Now see this point number 1. Abha got 20 trees more than Chitra, but 6 trees less than Dipti. One point we can discuss here, like Abha. It is 21 AX, and this 4x plus 4 5x, and this 9. So 21 plus x plus 9 and 4x. So 21 plus 9, 30, 30x, 30 plus 5x. Okay. So number of trees with Ava 30 plus 5x. And it was like it was initially I took x. I can take a different number like anything. Means the number of trees with Ava is more than Chitra, and it is 20 plus. So okay, with this data we can write the number of trees with Chitra is 10 plus 5x, because 10 plus 20 is 30 plus 5x. Okay, this is a importance of this information. And the D, it is 20, it's 26, so it should be 30 plus 6, and 36 plus 5x. Okay, so this condition is satisfying here, so we can remove it. So ये सारे points number of plot distribution में थे जो कि हम लोग complete कर चुके हैं. Now it is a matter of trees distributions. So it is A, C, and D. No information here we have about Bina, number of trees with Bina. This we do not know. So far, this is all we have drawn from the given amount of information. And now it is a matter of logical connectivity. Is it okay? So the total number of trees 205. It is given here. Total number of trees is 205. And यहाँ पे 42 plus 14x this and that. Okay, if I add it, then 40, the number of trees 42 plus 14x plus 42 plus 21 is 63 plus 21x. 63 plus 21x. 63 plus 21x plus 37 and more, which we do not know, कोई ना कोई वैल्यू होगी. This is going to be 205. Is it right? I think clear is the total number of trees. Need this plus this plus this, and this is an unknown value which present time we do not know. Okay, so look here, it is 63 plus 3700. If I subtract this 100 from 205, then it is 105, and it is something like this 21x plus any value, which will be a sum of this and this. Okay, now guess x. What is x? Okay, what is x? So look here. If I take x would be a multiple of 3. So it is a 3, 6, 9, 12 like this. And it is like 4, 8, 12 like this. Okay. So what may be the value of x? Because in column number 2 and y row, it is x. So it is either multiple of 3 or multiple of 4 or both. So look here. Can you take any big value? If I take like this, 12 into 21 is much more than 105. Okay. So 12 nahi ho sakta. 9 into 21 is what? 9 into 21 is, 189. And this plus this is 105. So no matter of being 9. 9 नहीं होगा. 9 नहीं है तो फिर 8 कहां से आ जाएगा? तो 4 में तो पॉसिबिलिटी 4 का ही बचा. और यार 6 भी अगर चेक करते हैं तो 6 into 21 is a 126. 6 into 21 is a 126. तो x अगर आप 6 देते हो तो यही 126 आएगा, जबकि 126 plus something है. Means it is on putting x is equal to 6, and the result will be more than 105. So this equation x is not a solution of this equation. So x 6 भी नहीं हो सकता, तो 6 भी नहीं हो सकता. तो अब 3 और 4 चेक करें. If we take 3 and 21, 3 is 63. 63 plus something is equal to 105. There is a possibility. And if I take 4, then 4 into 21 is what? It is a 84. 84 plus there is a possibility. So I think it is very clear that we can say the value of x either 3 or 4. So ये बड़ा इजी से हो गया कि इन सबको हम लोग हटा सकते हैं, है ना. कि जो कंफ्यूजन था वो खत्म हो गया कि x की वैल्यू क्या होगी. x होगा 3 या 4. अब how will you decide that x is 3 or 4? X is a multiple of 3 or 4 ये given है. Okay, right. चलिए अब हाँ, इसका हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. जैसे कि a क्या गिवन है? 30 plus 5x. ओके, चलिए ले लेते हैं a is equal to 3. अगर if I put x is equal to 3, then a will be 5 into 3 if I take x is equal to 3. Right? Then 3 5 is 15 plus 30 45. Okay. And here 5 3 is 15 plus 10. It is 25. It is 25. C we can take 5 3 is 15 and 15, and this is C. D is going to be 51. B we don't have any information about. the total number of trees with a B. B is 25. On putting X is equal to 3, I am getting these results for A, B, D respectively. And now C, as far as B is concerned, so it is B, A. Look at C. C के दो प्लॉट थे, एक ये और एक ये. इन दोनों प्लॉट में इसकी वैल्यू तो 12 दे रखी है. अगर ये C 12 है और C, ये तो बी सी था, सॉरी सी, तो फिर 12 प्लस 13 होता है 25. फिर इस केस में ये 13 होगा. 12 और 13 ये 25 हो गया. ऑन पुटिंग x is equal to 3, c is going to be 25, then it is given 12, so it should be 13. But the point is the number must be a multiple of, number of trees must be multiple of 3 or 4. So I think it is clear कि 3 लेने से यहाँ पे 13 आएगा. So it means this is not possible. So जब 3 भी पॉसिबल नहीं रहा तो इसका मतलब x की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 4. So x is going to be 4. अगर आप चेक करते हैं तो चेक करके देखिए, x is equal to 4 लेने पर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑब्वियस सी बात है, हम लोग तो c को ही चेक करते हैं जिससे प्रॉब्लम हुई थी. 5 into 4 जा 20, 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 30. And if it is a 12, then 30 minus 12, this is going to be 18, right? And 18 is definitely a multiple of 3. Is it clear? So this is 18. It is 12 on putting x is equal to 4. So this point is okay. And now, we got the value of x. It is x is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, then it is 4, it is 8, and it is 60. ठीक. On putting x is equal to 4, here it is, इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ, इसको 4 and ये 8 हो गया. This is 4, this is 8, and 4 4 is 16. So the row, y row is complete. So 16 plus 8 24 4 28 28 और 21. It is 49. फिर चेक कर लेते हैं. 16 4 20, 20 8 28, 28 पे डाल के. So it is 49. Means the number of peak trees in y row is 49. All columns are sufficient. And it was given that number of mango trees is double than peak trees, so it is 98. So now every point is clear. It is 98 is 49, so the pine trees 205 से subtract कर दीजिए. 98 and 49, 98 plus 200 147, subtracted 147, then 53 plus 5 58. So it means number of pine trees 58. I think everything is clear. Sorry, points relate to that. When it is 58 and it is given 28 plus 8, 28 plus 9 plus 8. So 18 plus 9, 27, 27, 28 to the 54 and 55, 50. Okay, it is 3. Means add करके 58 से subtract कर दिया. This is equal to 3. Right. So now this row is complete. Each point is clear. That here 3, here 18, it's 9, it is just. Okay, now what about this B and D? So this way, when you know the number of trees with A, C, and D, the total 205, then you can find the number of trees with B. So it is 58. It is 58. Okay. So if it is, no, sorry. The number of trees with B is 58 trees are in Z row for B. So here, now it is clear that A is 5x की वैल्यू 4 है, तो 5 4 जा 20, it is 50, it is 30, and this is 56. So this B will be 205 minus 50, 50, 50, 100, 136. So 205 minus 136, this is 64 plus 5, 69. So means it is 69 स्पेस है अपर कम, तो मैं यहां लिख देता हूं, आप थोड़ा सा समझिएगा, b की वैल्यू 69. if b is 69, right, ध्यान रखें, this point is b is 69. Okay, and now see, b is 3, 28 and 8. So 3 plus 28, 31, 31 plus 8, 39. So 39 plus 30 is equal to 69. So here it is going to be 30. Right? It is 30. Okay. Now it's a matter of D. D, you know, is equal to 56. Here it is 56. So for getting the number of trees with a D in these two plots, 1 point, the largest number of tree in a plot was 32, but it was not with the ABHA. Look here, all plots trees are decided 12, 30, 21, 4, 8, 16, 20. This is, and same number of trees देखने कहीं तो नहीं है, 3 है, 8, 18, 9, 28, 8, 6, ओके, नो, इसका मतलब 32 जो बिगेस्ट है वो यहां पे होगा और या फिर इसमें होगा, राइट. अगर 32 ये है और सम 56 चाहिए, तो इसका मतलब यहाँ पे फिर 24 होना चाहिए, और फिर यहाँ पे 24 होगा तो ये 32 होगा. सो दिस वे the exact value of D you cannot find out. In this plot means third column and X row 32 with D, and here in this plot 24 with D, or here 24 and here 32. This is, so this is all about this. Okay, let's see the fair and fair table of this. Okay, I think every point is clear. This is a final and fair presentations. And now see the questions. So it is very clear. Sorry, question number 1. How many mango trees were there in total? So 98. Answer is C. Which of the following is correct? Just a minute. So it is 98. And which of the following is the correct sequence of trees received by A, B, C, and D? So ABHA we have just calculated 50, and Chitra was 30, and D was 56, and P was 69. Okay. So ABHA is, and it is given in that order. Okay, so ABHA 50. Okay, ये तो इसी बात से रूल आउट हो गया. Answer is A. 50, 69, 30, and 56. So this is question number 1. Question number 2. So here answer is this and that. Now question number 3. How many pine trees with Chitra receives? Pine trees, last row, Chitra 18. Answer is 8. So these are first 3 questions. And now see next 2 questions of this set. This is who got the plot with the smallest number of trees, and how many trees did that plot have? who got the plot with the smallest number of t? Smallest number of t plot is, I think, this Abha 4. Hmm. The smallest number of trees. Okay, no, it is 4. It is 3. This is this is the smallest one. So answer is B. Which of the following statement is not true? Not true. Chitra got 12 mango trees. Mango. Chitra. Yes, it is a true. Bina got 32 pine trees. Bina. Bina and Bina. 28 pine trees. 3 pine trees. So this is answer because it is not true. It is false information. Rest you can check just to see the validity of our table. Abha got 41 teak trees. Abha 41 teak trees. This is 21, 25, 25 plus 16, 41. So it is the truth. Deepti got 56 mango trees. Mango, Deepti mango tree. Okay, 32 plus 24, 56. So it is true. So now it is clear the answer is B. And six, which column had the highest number of trees? Highest number of trees. This we cannot find. Okay, why? The reason is here 32 and 34 or 34 or 32. Okay, but see, sometimes we do a mistake. बड़ी जल्दबाजी में कोई काम नहीं करना चाहिए. Like here, see, 12 and 21, it is 33 and 336. Okay, definitely ये तो ज्यादा होगा. But look here, 30 and 4 plus 18. 34 plus 18, 31, this is 52. It is 52 in column number 2. Now check it. It is 20, 32, 8, 40 plus 49. ज्यादा हो सकता था. लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे 32 है, ये 16 है, 48 हो गया. 48 प्लस 28 इस केस में फिर कॉलम नंबर 4 52 से बड़ा हो जाएगा. दैट इज वाई ये मैटर कर रहा है कि 32 कहाँ है, यहाँ है या यहाँ है. ओके, दैट इज वाई आंसर इज कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड. तो कभी भी जल्दबाजी में कैट के क्वेश्चंस को आंसर मत दीजिए. आई थिंक दिस इज योर फाइनल क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस सेट. डू प्रैक्टिस. More and more practice will only help you.